Hello everyone, welcome to Campkin's RV Center Tips and Tricks. My name is Seep, and in this episode we're going to talk about your propane system. Generally, if you have a single tank, it goes through a regulator into your system. In this case, you'll have two tanks and you've got a changeover regulator. Now, with two tanks, you'll have a reserve tank and you'll have a supply tank. In this case, this is the supply tank based on the pointer. Okay, and then it's showing green, which says that you've got gas in this tank. If this should empty, then this will turn red, but it will automatically change over and then make this the supply tank from the reserve. Okay, when that happens, close this one, undo it, take it over and get it filled, bring it back, connect it, and keep this remaining as your supply tank and keep this now as reserve, and just start the whole process over again. Okay folks, that's my talk about propane tanks. Till next time, happy trails.